Hey everybody, this is Granger from Heartfelt Fashion. I want to welcome everybody to the page. It's been quite a while since I've done any videos, but we're getting ready for 2022 this year. We have a lot of new content. A lot has happened since last year, and I have to say that my grass experience has been amazing. And a lot of my neighbors say that I have the best lawn in the community. And I'm thankful to Mr. Ron Henry for all his support and all of the advice of how to make your lawn the best lawn. All right. Now, in this year 2022, I want to take it up a notch. And there's only one way to take it up a notch, because I know that there's a lot of neighbors that are going to be after me this year. All right. So I feel like in order to take it up a notch, I needed a new mower. So the only way to go from here is a real mower. So I made a decision to purchase my very first real mower, and it is a Allett Kensington 20in with a Honda motor. So I'm very excited about this. This is my very first Allett mower, and it's going to take some time to get used to it. But I went down to Aiken, South Carolina to meet with Roland, who is the top representative for Allett USA here in America. And we had a conversation, and I picked this mower up, and this is my unboxing of my Allett mower. All right. Wow. So what I went ahead and did was I bought a scarifier as well, because they believe that you should scarify and get all the thatch and debris out of your lawn before you actually start cutting. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is my dethatcher. So one thing I really like about an Allett mower is that you have a dethatcher, you have an aerator, you have a brush, you have all of these cartridges that you use with the mower to actually get it to do multiple things. And it was the one thing that set it apart from a McLean or a TrueCut or any of those mowers that are not Greensmaster mowers. So this is what comes in that box. I got an Allen wrench because it's only like a few screws to release to actually get this cartridge out and to replace it with the cartridge that's in the mower. Here we go. This is the scarifier, and these teeth right here. All of these teeth, they're the things that go in the ground and dig up the thatch so that your lawn can just be grass and the ground, the soil. So this is a dethatcher that replaces the reel, the cutting device. So that's the dethatcher. I bought that. And now it's time for the real deal. Opening up of my mower. All right. Now, once again, guys, Mr. Ron Henry, you requested that I show this. So this is for you, Ron. All right. Here we go. If I can get this open. Oh, here we go. Unboxing of my mower. All right. Here we go. So y'all, very excited. I had to make a decision between a TrueCut and a McLean mower, and I asked a lot of questions. I did a lot of research. The Greensmaster brands were way too expensive to get them brand new, and you have to do a lot of work on them. And I researched a lot of people in the city to see who could sharpen my reels, and that was a problem, trying to find people to sharpen a reel. So when it comes to this mower, all you do is take the cartridge out and send it to Allett, and they will sharpen your reel and they'll send it back to you. Plus, this mower right here strikes like no other. So we're gonna be looking forward to seeing this mower strike. Here's my catcher face and the mower. It's my unboxing, guys. Look at that beauty. It's a beauty, guys. That is a sharp blade right there, guys. That sharp is made in the UK. And it's real mower. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's got the Honda motor on it. I love it. and I'm grateful to have it. And if you guys don't know anything about a real mower cuts your grass like scissors. There's a blade that runs under the bottom that's called a bed knife, and then those red blades that turn, they hold the blade of grass up and it cuts it like that. If you have a rotary mower, a regular old mower that has one blade across the bottom, what happens is that blade acts like a machete and it turns like maybe, I don't know, 100 miles an hour, and it whacks the grass. So when it whacks the grass, it clips it and it shaves off the top, but it's not clean like scissors. So for me, in order to take my grass to the next level this year, this mower will allow my grass to be even more of an even cut. So even if my grass wasn't deemed one of the best or the best lawn in the community this year, this mower will take my grass up another notch just simply because of the cut that's on the lawn. So this is gonna be a game changer for me this year. I'm grateful. I've had a couple of other neighbors want me to do their lawns this year, so that is a ding, ding, ding. And so I'm grateful. And here we go. That's my Allett Kensington 20-inch real mower. So grateful to have it, blessed to have it. My wife is behind the camera. Grateful for it all, you guys. So what I want you guys to do, give us a follow, like the page, stay tuned for more videos. I've already scalped this year. I've already scalped the grass this year, so I've gotten it down to around, I say it's around 1.5 inches. So I have a lot more work to do. But we're looking forward to everything coming back. We look for the spring to come, and we're looking forward to a great year. So like I said, you guys, follow the page and look forward to some great content. Thank you.